Hello students, so today we are going to start environment. So first chapter, super senses. Super senses are related to our sense organs. So what are the sense organs, children? There are 5 sense organs in our body. You know that. They are eyes, then ears, nose, tongue and skin. So eyes, what do we do from eyes? So we see. You know that we see from our eyes. Then second is ears. Ears are to hear. If someone is calling you, you can hear through your ear. Then nose. Nose is to smell good smell or a bad smell. Then fourth one is tongue, to taste. You can taste food or something else from your tongue. Then skin. Skin is to feel. You can feel hot, cold. Whether if the climate is changed, you can feel cold or hot weather. So children, now you do one thing. Close your eyes and just assume what I say. So first, close your eyes and see that you are sitting in a park and you have some food like roti, chapati and all. So from far away an eagle comes to you and take your chapati and flew away. So do you assume that in your mind? Yeah. So why do then other example that you are passing through a road and there was sleeping a dog. Then when you are passing through that, the dog hear your voice while you are not making any noise. Then also the dog gets up and look at you and sleep again. And third, that wherever somewhere in your house you put some sweet things anywhere. So after some times you look there, there are so many ants gathering there and taking the sweet food. So why this is happened? This is just happened because just like humans, animals also have different senses. They have the sense of hear, to see, the taste, smell and feel. Now, for what the things the animal use their special senses. So first they find their prey from far away. You have looked that in some stories the eagles from far away sky, they can find their prey on the ground. Then second is hear the finest sound. As I say first that you are passing through a road where the dog is sleeping, then also when you are passing without making a noise, the dog gets up and look at you and sleep again. And then they find their friends by smell. They smell the fragrance of their friends and they find the friends. Now, do you know that how the ant recognize their friend? Look at the thing on page number 2. An ant was going along on the ground. It saw a group of ants coming from the other side. The first ant quickly comes back to the hole. The ant guarding the hole, recognizing it and let it in. So now, there are groups of ants. You have seen in your house that so many ants are having their own groups. So one ant is passing from there and one group of ant is going back into the hole. The first ant goes back to the hole and she was guarding the other ants. Why she is doing like that? Because she wants that only her friends should become inside the hole, not the other ants. So this is how the ant recognize their friends. Now children, do one thing. Took a pencil and block the ant's way. You just take the pencil from your compass box and put in the way of the ant. And then look what the ants do. Do you know that many years ago a scientist was experimenting that how the ants find their own way. Then what he found, that he found the ants leave the smell on the ground. So by that smell the other ants follow the smell and find the way. Now you can guess why this is like happening, and why when you have blocked the road of the ant, they pass through the another way. So some male insects can recognize their females by their smell. For example, silkworm. Do you know that silkworm? Yeah, so silkworm also do the same. The male of silkworms, they find the female silkworms by their smell. Now, have you even been troubled by mosquitoes? Students, do you know that mosquitoes are biting you? Yes, in monsoon season, so many mosquitoes are there and they bites you. Then how they know that here are you, there are you? So they know by the smell and the heat of your body. Now mosquitoes can find the way by smell of your body, as I already said. They also find the way by smell of sole of your feet. They also smell the feet of yours and even the heat of your body. You know that you have the different body temperature. Now children, have you seen a sniffer dog? Yes, around your house there are so many dogs. Do you find them they are searching something on the ground, or always they are smelling something on the ground? Yeah, do you know that what they smell? They are not searching the food. They are searching their area. Do you know that how they smell their area and find their own area? And if someone other dog comes inside their area, they fight with that dog. And even they smell their area by their urine and potty. It means latrine. Now next we will see in our next lecture. Thank you.